Today I'm going to show you how to make coffee and walnut cupcakes. For the cupcakes you will need 140 grams of self-raising flour, 140 grams of caster sugar, 120 grams of margarine, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, 1 tablespoon of hot water and 50 grams of walnuts. So firstly, to my instant coffee I added my hot water and then just give this a mix until well combined and pop to one side. And then I chopped up my walnuts. So if you want to just buy pre-chopped walnuts, by all means you can do. I just wanted to buy 1 bag of walnuts and I like to top the cupcakes with a full walnut in the end. So it was just easier to buy the 1 bag and chop them up myself. Then to your sugar add your margarine and mix this together until well combined. Then add your eggs, your coffee mixture and your milk and mix again until well combined. Then add your self-raising flour and give it a little bit of a mix. Then add your chopped walnuts and mix until you have a really nice batter. Then to a pre-lined cupcake tray with cupcake cases, you just need to spoon your batter into each of the cupcakes. Then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for 20 to 25 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. And then for the buttercream you will need 175 grams of icing sugar, 75 grams of butter at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of coffee granules, 2 teaspoons of boiling water, 2 teaspoons of milk and an optional 12 walnut halves just to top your cupcakes with. Firstly, you want to mix your coffee granules with your boiling water, make sure this is really well combined and then just pop to one side to allow it to cool. Then to your icing sugar add your butter and using a fork you just want to press the butter into the icing to start combining the two together. Now if you have a mixer you can just do this in a mixer if you want, I just like to show the way of doing things without equipment. So once your butter is as combined with your icing sugar as much as it possibly can be, you then want to start adding in your coffee mixture, a little bit at a time, mixing it. You'll see it starts to come together more as a buttercream. And you might need to use all of your coffee mix, you might not, which means you won't need your milk, but you basically want to keep adding in the liquid a little bit at a time until it is the consistency you want. If you do use all of your coffee mixture and you find that your buttercream is still too stiff, that's when we start using the milk. Just add it in again a little bit at a time until it is the consistency that you want. If you do find that you add too much of the milk or coffee and it's too liquidy, just add a bit more icing sugar to help bring it back. And then you want to top your cupcakes with your buttercream. I just popped mine in a piping bag and made a nice swirl, but you can just spoon it on or spread it on if you want. And then I just topped each of my cupcakes with one of the walnut halves. And there you have it. That's how you make coffee and walnut cupcakes.